Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Laratips. In today's video, we are doing a small refactor which will make our code much more readable. Here in the browser, we are showing a list of users and the users can be active, inactive, or they can have the email verified as yes or no. And now if we look at the current code, it is showing like this. So if I go here in the web.php, on the users route, it is calling the user index, and here inside the view, we are passing the users and the table row class looks like this and it looks very messy. And to understand it, we need to go through all these curly brackets, conditions. But in Laravel, we have a very beautiful way of handling this. So let's refactor this. In Laravel, we have a class blade directive where we can pass the classes and show the classes based on the condition. So here we have these classes that should always be rendered. So for that, we'll just cut it and paste it over here like this. If we don't pass any condition over here, let's say true or false, then it will always show. So we'll not pass any conditions over here. Now here if we check, if the user status is active, then we are showing green color, and if it is not active, then we are showing red color. And if the email is not verified, then we are showing this yellow color. So for now, let us just copy this busy green 50. So we'll add it, and this will be shown if the user status is active. So we'll add this over here. Now let me duplicate it, and instead of green, let me say red, which is here, and it will be shown if the user is inactive. And the last one is busy yellow 50, which will be shown if the user's email is not verified. Now we can remove this. Now if I come here and refresh the page, then you can see here it is looking exactly the same. But the code has been refactored drastically. Now you can easily see here and say how this code works instead of the old one.